Momos, a trending recipe amongst the youth. And today I'm going to show you two versions of it. I'm going to be making fried momos and then tossing it in my special sauce. So let's see how. Let's start with making the filling first. I have a bowl here and I've kept a muslin cloth over it. And now let's add in the vegetables. 2 carrots finely chopped, 1 cup finely chopped cabbage, 1 onion finely chopped, 1 capsicum finely chopped, 2 green chilies finely chopped, 1/4 teaspoon finely chopped garlic, 1/4 teaspoon finely chopped ginger, salt to taste. Mix the salt with all the vegetables and let it rest for about 5 to 6 minutes so that all the water oozes out. After 5 minutes, make sure you squeeze out all the water. And now, let's remove these vegetables in another bowl. Let's add in half a teaspoon of cornflour, a pinch of pepper powder, a teaspoon of soy sauce. Give all these ingredients a good mix and this filling is ready. I've already made the dough here. I've taken 1.5 cups of plain flour, 1 tablespoon oil and a little bit of salt, and just make a soft dough and let it rest for about 30 minutes. If you would like to see the process how to make the dough, you can watch my video of pan-fried momos. The link is in the description box below. And now let's start shaping them. Take a small portion of the dough. Take some plain flour, dust the ball and the board, and now let's make the momos wrapper. This is the thickness of the wrapper that I would need. Just cut it with a 3-inch sharp-edged bowl. Remove the excess dough. Place the filling in the center. Gather all the ends. I like to make bite-sized momos so that they don't fall apart while eating them. Few of the momos are shaped and ready, and now let's deep fry them. So I have a pan of hot oil here. Drop them in medium hot oil and deep fry them on medium flame. Fry them till they are brown in color. These are beautifully cooked. Let's get them out. The momos are fried and ready, and now let's make the sauce. For that, let's heat up a tablespoon of oil in a pan. Add in a tablespoon of finely chopped ginger, a tablespoon of finely chopped garlic, 1 green chilli finely sliced. Cook the aromatics for a few seconds. 2 tomatoes boiled and pureed. Cook the puree for at least a good 3 to 4 minutes. The puree is bubbling since the last 3 to 4 minutes. Now let's add in all the seasoning ingredients. 1 teaspoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1.5 tablespoon ketchup, 1.5 tablespoon chilli sauce, 1 tablespoon soy sauce, half a teaspoon sugar, salt to taste. Mix all these ingredients together and let it cook. The sauce is ready and the momos are fried as well. So now let's toss them together. The sauce is nice and thick. Let's add them in. Make sure they're well coated. Add in some spring onions. Toss it. And these momos are ready. You can serve the sauce that I made separately with the fried momos, or you can toss them in. Do give this recipe a try. Let me know how it turned out. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.